Hi everyone, my name is Cyril and you're welcome to the Cloud Journey HQ. So today I have an amazing information for every one of us. So the last time I made a video and I did emphasize some stuff about AWS and also Microsoft Azure and also some part in GCP. Now today I'm going to give us one very important thing. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Yeah, but before we go further, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on the notification bell so you can get update immediately I post an update on this channel. And also do well to like and share this video. All right, so let's get right into this. All right, with no further ado, I'm going to show us two opportunities that AWS Cloud Platform is offering us right now. So there's actually a very big opportunity for us as cloud wannabes. So should you have any plans to go into cloud computing right now, AWS is giving us so many important updates. All right, so first is from TalentUp Africa. So TalentUp Africa is actually a program that was founded by Dr. Selina, a PhD scholar at Oxford University, and she mentioned that he's giving the African young minds out there on opportunity to learn cloud technology. So there's a program called Tour Africa, which is TUA. I'm going to drop the link in the description box below. So if you are interested to also join in, I'll advise you to start your application now because this program is going to end like it's 20th of September. So that's why I'm trying to ditch out this video on time so you get updates as soon as possible. All right, so let's dive into this. So if you look at this, it's a program that has two segments. First, you have the opportunity to take the AWS Cloud Practitioner Bootcamp program, which is 1 month, and you also have the opportunity to apply for the AWS certification program, which is going to be 4 months. Now, let me give us one tips about this. For you to go into the certificate program, you must pass AWS Cloud Practitioner exam. So if you don't have any AWS um, experience, I would advise you to use this 12 opportunity to get started into it. Yes, because with this, if I should scroll down, now you're going to notice that you see the partnership with AWS is so much, and as like I said earlier, it was founded by Dr. Selina Varend Manson. So she's actually an Oxford scholar based in the U.S. District of Colorado, Columbia rather, and she has actually been impacting so many youths. So this is the second cohort, and I would like us to apply for this program as soon as possible. All right, so let me go into the next thing. So for you to get started into the bootcamp program, all you need to do is just to click on enroll and you select the program you want to. So I've actually clicked on this, for example. They will ask you some questions. All right, then that questions you get to connect with your LinkedIn. So if you don't have a LinkedIn, I would advise you get a LinkedIn, right? So you connect with your LinkedIn, then they will ask you to upload your resume and all that stuff. Then also for the cloud practitioner, they will just ask you some questions about what certificate do you have. So you may not apply for the certification yet, but you can apply for the cloud practitioner bootcamp, so you can get this first certification as soon as possible, because you must get this certification on 28th of October unfailingly. If you have that, then you can apply for this certificate program, which is going to be starting by November. So yeah, so I advise you just go for this for now. If you don't have anything on AWS, then once you're done by November, before November, you can apply for this. So the deadline of this should be October 28th. All right, so let's go into the second opportunity that we have. So AWS also have one important opportunity, which is AWS Training Certification. This is program is likely to close on 20th of September, which is going to be on Friday. Um, so I'll also advise you to also look at this program, because this program, for now, it gives you 50% voucher on any certificate you want to achieve. So if you want to get an associate program, for example, you want to get the associate program on solution architect, you want to get on data engineer, you want to get on CSOPs. So this program gives you opportunity to get 50%, and you can also schedule your exam However, if you don't have the remaining 50%, there are still other ways to get them. I'm going to share them as well, maybe in the next video. But for now, this is what is available. So it gives you opportunity to look at this, right? These are the domains that are available, but they are offering majorly associate programs. So let us go into the skill builder for AWS and confirm what I said about AWS certificates, training and certification training. All right, so let's see. Here we have join the Get AWS Certified Associate Challenge. So in this AWS program, you get the opportunity to apply for any of the challenge that is available. So these are the challenge. If you look at this, it shows that you can apply for one, two, three, four, five. So there are several challenges at the moment. So if you want to, you can actually click on any of them and start the exam preparation up. They give you opportunity to learn everything from the community, and also you can get started in the skill builder. So this is your data engineer associate. You have developer, we have machine learning, you have solution architect, you have sysops administrator. All right, so these are the exams that are available, and they're going to give you 50% voucher for this. So this is already offered by AWS rather, and I will advise you that you must take the exam on or before 12th of December. Look at this. Look at this right now. If you see, they said you must schedule exam earlier, so you have a seat, you have a set date to work with, right? And also be sure to register for the challenge by December 12th, 2024, and take your exam by 12. So you must take it on or before 12 to be able to use the 50% discount. So they are giving you 50% discount. So it's likely you need to pay for the remaining 50% discount all by yourself. However, I think I can bring out some ideas on how we could also secure the next 50% discount, so you don't really have to pay for any of those associated exam. But I'm going to maybe share that in my next video. All right, so let's go into the next thing. The next thing I'm going to show us is, if you are a beginner, you might not be able to dive straight into associate program like maybe data engineer, developer, because these are actually more like you are trying to go more advanced into the AWS cloud environment. So for me, I would suggest you learn the basics, right? So for you to dive into the basics, I'm going to show us, this is the community of AWS. I'm going to show us the skill builder that allows us to go straight into this. All right. So if you click on this is the skill builder of AWS. That is skillbuilder.aws. I'm going to drop all these links in the description below. However, if you want a full platform, this platform to give you full content, you need to pay $29 for a month. But there are some content that are free of charge. So for example, if you are new to AWS, they won't expect you to pay. Once you click on start your journey here, it already shows you the Cloud Practitioner Essential platform where you learn everything for free because you are a newbie. But if you want to get certified in, let me show you. So if you see this, you look at solution architect, developer, DevOps engineer. So all these are more advanced program. So you may have to pay for some of your contents that you will get from AWS Skill Builder. But if you are actually a beginner, you won't pay. I'm going to show you the link and I'm going to share it in the description for cloud practitioner mainly. All right, so let's go into this. I want to show you some of the certificate journey for AWS. If it's for Microsoft Azure, we have AZ900, which is the Azure fundamentals. But for AWS, it's majorly the cloud practitioner foundational exams you write. Then once you've taken these, you can then dive into maybe the next exams and the next exams, such like that. So you can dive from cloud practitioner, then you go into solution architect or developer, right? So these are actually how the way the exams are structured. Okay, so now I'm going to show us where we could start up if you don't have any certification at all. So you click on start your journey here. And the moment you click on that, it gives you a page which is Cloud Practitioner Essential. All these, if you look at these, they are free, and only the Cloud Practitioner exam is like 6 hours. Then we have AWS Simulen, which is also 12 hours and it's free. It's a game-based learning. Then here we have the Cloud Quest, which is 12 hours, and we have AWS Card Clash, which is also free. So you can actually have access to all this free content from AWS, and you could start with the Cloud Practitioner segment. So you just get to know the basics of AWS at this time. Okay, so I don't know if you also have any question regarding this, but I'm going to share you some of the links in the description box. So if you have any other question, you can drop it in the description box or send me an email. I'm going to drop my handle as well, so we can actually get started and try to ensure you finish your application on or before 20th of September. It's very, very important you work with that. Try to apply for this and ensure you finish on or before 20th of September for any of the program, either the tour programs or either for the AWS program. Like you see here, it's stating that it's going to be from August to 20th. So ensure you apply for this program and ensure you start the challenge as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video and do well to subscribe. I'm going to share more content on how we can also secure the next 50% discount accordingly. Thank you once again and bye for now.